Just a slip. Hello, kitty.
This is Leo.
Is there a wild animal in our house?
Hey. Bro, stop! Why are you doing that? Oh. To you too.
I'll tell you what I really want.
Holy
Watch your head.
Does anyone have any advice?
Hello. Hello.
Oh! No. His tail. Oh.
Oh, stop it now!
No. Lo clavó.
It's gonna be hot. Oh my God. Want somebody?
What are you doing? You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank.
Sit.
Puch.
Holy
Yeet.
Simba.
Under arrest.
Today. Oh my God. What is that?
Take some medicine.
Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though. I love you.
You wanna go out? Hold on. Wanna go out?
One singular black cat hair? One singular black cat hair?
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
You're done.
Gotta get you clean.
Osman.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Stop. Stop it. What happened?
No, I'm trying.
Percy. Evet anneciğim.
Sweet baby, what'd you bring me? You found a hot dog.
Oh my God. Oh. 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 All of you on one hand. My God.
Meow.
You cannot have an entire loaf of.
Olha pra cá! Olha pra mim! Olha pra mim!
See? It's alright. It's all good.
Stop.
So, mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I will be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're.
Happy birthday to you.
Y ahora, de conformidad con las últimas teorías.
Ay.
No! Oh my god!
You got some right here.
Gente, me iba a acostar, pero me di cuenta que tenía el diablo.
It's gonna be hot.